How to fix the TikTok missing profile views icon. Hi guys, in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the missing profile views icon in your TikTok account. But before that, please click the subscribe button for more other tutorial videos like this. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your TikTok application and go to your profile. As you can see, I currently don't have the TikTok profile views icon. To fix this issue, go to your Google Play or App Store. Search on TikTok. Then see if there's any update for this application. When you have the updated app, then go back to your TikTok profile. And if the icon is still missing, then click the inbox icon. And click on all activity seen at the top. After that, tap from TikTok. And look if there's any update here regarding the TikTok profile views function. If there's no update, go back to your profile again. In here, click the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. And then tap on settings and privacy. And now, scroll down and look for report a problem. And click on it. In here, select the account and profile. Next, select the profile page and click on other. And once you click the other, click on this need more help. In here, write that you are missing the profile views icon and ask TikTok to fix this issue. And after that, click submit. So that's it for our tutorial video. If I help you out, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more other videos like this. Thank you so much and have a nice day.